AJ. AJ. You're supposed to go to sleep now. You gonna say goodnight to your animals? You gonna say goodnight? Go say goodnight to the elephant. Say goodnight to the elephant. So say goodnight to the giraffe. That's the elephant. Say goodnight to the hippo. Where you going, the cheetah? Okay. What about the lion? That's the hippo, I know. What about the lion? The lion! Say, give him a kiss. Give the lion a kiss. Give the lion a kiss. What about the turtle? Where's the turtle? What are you gonna do? Oh! What happened? What about the monkeys? What? Where are the monkeys? Say goodnight to the monkeys. Where are the monkeys? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What's that, the zebra? What? What's up there? A toucan? And some bears? And some birds?